Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Prepare to be amazed, because today we're giving you an exclusive first look at what could be the future of automotive excellence. The stunning 2026 Ferrari F80. If you thought supercars couldn't get any more impressive, think again. This machine is a masterpiece of design, engineering, and raw power. Before we dive into every incredible detail, if you love amazing cars and cutting-edge technology, be sure to hit that subscribe button. Hit the like button on this video, and share it with every car enthusiast you know. Your support helps us bring you more amazing content like this. Let's start with the exterior. Just look at that incredible look. The 2026 F80, finished in stunning white, is a pure symphony of aerodynamic lines and aggressive styling. From the front, the sharp futuristic LED headlights blend seamlessly into the sculpted hood, leading to the iconic Ferrari grille with the prancing horse proudly displayed. Note the intricate carbon fiber elements around the lower bumper, not just for looks, but for downforce and all-important airflow management. This car wasn't just designed to look fast, it was designed to cheat the wind. Moving to the side, the F80's profile is sleek and low, hinting at its incredible performance capabilities. The large multi-spoke wheels and eye-catching red brake calipers tell you this car means business. Every curve and vent has a purpose, from cooling the massive brakes to channeling air to what we can only imagine is a truly monstrous engine. Now the rear. This is where the F80 really sets itself apart. Those signature circular LED taillights shine with an intense, futuristic aura. Underneath, quad exhaust tips promise an exhaust note that will send shivers down your spine. And that massive rear diffuser? It's not just for show. It's a critical component in generating the massive downforce needed to keep this beast glued to the road at exhilarating speeds. The attention to detail, even in the texture of the diffuser, is phenomenal. Relationship between driver and machine. Let's step inside. The interior of the 2026 F80 is a masterclass in driver-focused luxury and technology. When you sit in those sculpted supportive seats, you feel like you're in a cockpit, not just a car. The combination of premium leather, Alcantara, and carbon fiber is exquisite. Your hands instinctively grip the flat-bottomed steering wheel, which is emblazoned with the iconic Ferrari emblem and a wealth of controls right at your fingertips. The fully customizable digital instrument cluster provides all the essential driving information at a glance. To your right, a large central display seamlessly integrates infotainment, navigation, and vehicle settings, all designed with a clean, intuitive interface. Every rotary knob feels purposeful and of the highest quality. This isn't just a car, it's an extension of the driver. While specific performance figures for the 2026 F80 are still under wraps, given Ferrari's history, we can expect a hybrid engine that produces more than 800 horsepower, potentially even breaking the 1,000 horsepower mark. Expect a blistering 0 to 60 miles per hour time of under 2.5 seconds, and a top speed of over 200 miles per hour. This car is built for unrivaled performance and precision in the driving experience. The 2026 Ferrari F80 is a bold step forward for the legendary Italian brand. It is a vision of the future, combining stunning aesthetics with cutting-edge technology and, without a doubt, thrilling performance. It is a testament to Ferrari's unwavering commitment to pushing the boundaries of what is possible in automotive engineering. What do you think of the 2026 Ferrari F80? Are you as excited as I am about this incredible machine? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this first look, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews and automotive content.